Hello everyone, Mohit Yadav here from Veritech. Now in this video I will teach you how to do contract review the smart way. By and large we will automate this laborious time consuming process. So let's see how we can reduce our time and effort involved in a contract review. So usually what happens in a contract review process is that you get these stacks of PDF scan documents, and how you can save your time is that first of all you should ideally have an OCR based software. I'm using Adobe Acrobat Pro. You can use free alternatives such as FreeOCR. So now if you take a look at this document, I can't copy paste any text. It's not searchable because it's scanned. Right, so I'll show you what we can do. With Adobe Acrobat Pro, you can run this, and what will happen is that it will essentially convert all these pages into text. So I'm stopping it over here right now, but you can see on the pages that it has already worked. Right. Now all this text is searchable and you can even copy this text. So I've already made a searchable version of this PDF file, which you can see over here. So once you have converted all these PDF that you have into this format, next what we can do is we make use of the software called Agent Transact. Now Agent Transact lets you search across files either by the name or with the content inside them. So this time we are going to make use of the content. So first of all, you copy paste the path where this file is located, where these contracts would be located, and then you put in any keyword for which you want to do the search. Like in my case, I would be searching on the word tag. So as soon as I do the search, usually you see the results over here in the hit tab, and if you want to export these results, you go over here, you go to content and then CSV. You save this file. So I'm saving this file over here. Once you have this file saved, you open it. So there's a lot of clutter over here which I'm going to remove right now. So now we just have two columns left. That is the relevant text that contains the word tag and the file name. So all you need to do over here is copy this text, paste it into Word. So now let's say if you had 1000 files, you would have got tag clause for each of these files in this document. Now you can make this task even more easier. So you type in tag, then you type in tag over here. But this time you press Ctrl B to make it bold, and then what you do is you also change font color to, let's say, red. Then you replace all. And this works. Yes. So now you can see over here what happens is that in each of these instances you can see wherever tag has been mentioned, you can easily spot it, quickly take a glance and decide whether you want this clause or not. Let's say I don't want this clause and I delete it and right. So instead of going through a 40-page document, now I only have to go through it, let's say less than 2 pages, and even in that majority of this area I get it completely organized. Each clause is given along with the corresponding file name, and I can directly look at where the relevant keyword has been mentioned. So this could make life a lot more easier. So do try this and let me know how it goes.